This is Kino. Kino's a Maine Coon. Kino likes to play fetch because Kino thinks he's a dog. Ready, Kino? Okay, bring it back. You ready to play some more? You do realize that you're a cat, right? That cats should play cat things? You don't realize this? You think you're a dog. Alright. Well, dogs go outside and make their business outside. They don't make their moms have to clean their litter box. But then again, you think you're a dog and you want all the luxuries of being a cat as well. Where'd you put it? Got it. One more time. You ready? Here we go. That, folks, that would be Kino the cat who thinks he's a dog.